So friends, welcome back everyone to today's live trade. Today is April 18th and Bank Nifty opened gap down after a long weekend. So let us see what are the how was the trade done today and what are the adjustments we took today. So as you can see, almost you can see close to 1000 points crash. Bank Nifty opened gap down, and it was trying to sustain. Okay, it was trying to just maintain the same levels, and I immediately took a straddle. Reason because there is going to be good volatility crush as well. So let me just show you. Okay, so before that, just showing you the open interest. So let me take you to Bank Nifty open interest, and the highest tower is at 38,000. Okay, so you can see this one. It's at, sorry, 37,000. So let me just mark the level. It is a very significant strike. It's got huge volume, huge call rating. Open interest is very high. Okay, and then when it comes to the lower part, looking for the support, I can see 36,800, and presently Bank Nifty is trading in the same range. So there's no point keeping the same level. So what I'll do is I'll take the low of the day, and also we can see that the low of the day has got a very good bounce after Bank Nifty opened the gap down. It has bounced back from this level, so it will act as a very good support. So that is why the low has been marked as the support for me for today. So this is going to be the range at which I'll be playing, and as usual I've taken a straddle, and you can see good volatility crush happening. Okay, so the IV is having a very good crush. So this is what I'll just show you the IV. This is not related to the strike price, but I'm just showing you the India VIX. You can see the crash happening. So from almost it went to 20.5, it has come down almost. You can see so much of 12% variation happening. So that is why we are in a very good profit. And if Bank Nifty continues to go up from here, there is going to be more crush and we'll be getting more profits. So you can see without doing anything, we're almost close to 30,000 profit, and the VIX you can see is continuously coming down and down. So as Bank Nifty goes up, this VIX will come down, and this is going to give us very beautiful returns without any adjustments. You can expect very good profit, and also we will play directional as well if the ranges gets broken. Okay. So friends, now I have added all my position and also added extra strangle as well, and you can see without doing anything we are still neutral, and we are in very good profit of 45,000 already. And it was very surprising on Monday to get so much of theta decay, and this because of the crush which is happening. The Bank Nifty opened with gap down, and then it started to, the VIX started to cool down. So as of now it is just moving sideways, and you can see we are just simply sitting and eating the theta. Very good profits. As of now time is 10:30 and it is trying to cross. You can see there was one candle which tried to come down, pierce down the level which I have marked, and then I had to do a slight adjustment, just one candle only. So that's why you can see I just reduced one small quantity of put, but you can see call is higher than the put as of now. I have not reduced the entire quantity, reason because it is still moving sideways, it is not continuously going down. Okay, so this is what I was expecting. Bank Nifty is still not crossed this level. You remember this level which had sold here. It has, yeah. So you can see it has tried to bounce back two times from this particular level, and then accordingly I have done the adjustment in the positions as well, and you can see that we are sitting at a very decent profit as of now. So time close to 12:30, friends. At this time, once again, Bank Nifty has tried. You remember this level which I was talking about has tried to cross, and as you can see it has come down. So accordingly, I tried to become bearish. So I have added extra call as well and reduced the entire put. You can just see I'm having 875 quantities of put, and I've increased my call quantities also to close to 2,600. If Bank Nifty continues to go down, I will be making excellent profit. Okay, so now friends, as expected, 230 Bank Nifty has reversed back. You can see it was correctly coming down as per our plan, but then it started reversing back, wiping out all the profits. Almost I was close to 1.5 lakh profits, but then again it started reversing, and now the super trend also has changed. So then I have added little bit of put quantities as well, and my profit is close to 70,000 as of now. So these are the put quantities I have added to manage the position, because the trend has changed, the super trend also has changed. Okay, So now time was close to 3 o'clock, friends. So it was very nice. We are continue going top, but then again Bank Nifty started reversing. So at 3 o'clock I closed my entire positions at 65,000. The profits were today a roller coaster because it was having all kind of slight up and down movement. It's not big heavy movement, but then slight up zigzag. You can see slight kind of zigzag kind of movement which has happened, due to which I had to give up half of my profit which I got for today. But again, Bank Nifty is trading without any direction as also. And let me tell you, Monday if you're getting so much, we should be very happy. Theta decay as well as happened. So this profit was entirely because of theta decay. There was nothing directional done today. Directional hardly anything. I did not give any moves as well. Okay, friends. So hope you liked today's trade and the adjustments and the commentary. If at all any doubts and confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.